If you're not taking advantage of AI, artificial intelligence, in landing high-ticket online personal training clients, you are missing out. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 steps that we teach our health and fitness professionals in our programs on how you can get high-ticket personal training clients online using artificial intelligence. What's up, guys? My name is Chris Martinez. I'm one of the co-founders and head coaches at Dynamic Fit Pros, where we help health and fitness coaches start and grow their coaching businesses to a 6-figure business. Okay, so like I said, artificial intelligence, it's a really hot type of thing. There's a big trend with it all. ChatGPT, there's so many other ones that are coming to compete with them as well too. But hey, how do we sit there and ride this wave and not sit there and get left behind, right? Because there are some cool stuff within artificial intelligence that we can use as health and fitness coaches, right? To sit there and grow our business, serve more people, make more money, the whole shebang. You ready to go? Step number 1 on how to use AI to land high ticket personal training online clients. Use it for your audience. ChatGPT is an awesome tool that helps you dial in your audience, especially if you're looking for high ticket online clients. Let me give you an example of this. Once you really understand who this, what we call perfect future client is, right? With that, there's 5 different kind of elements within that. It's what is the bleeding neck problem that you're solving, okay? You have to be clear on that. The second thing is who is the niche, right? The third one is who's the avatar. The fourth one is what is your specialty and method to solve this bleeding neck problem, right? The fifth one is what's your unique selling proposition. If you understand those 5 key areas, that really comprises your perfect future client. So once you have your perfect future client down, now how do we use AI? So you can use ChatGPT to look up, let's just say that perfect future client is busy executives, male executives. So we do a prompt where it's like, give me the top 10 pain points, give me the top 10 health and fitness problems that a busy executive male 30 to 50 years old has in their health and fitness journey. Boom, it's gonna just spit out a bunch of different little kind of things in their pain points, problems. That's content all day, and that lands in your guys' messaging because now you have the audience, but now you need the messaging, and then you can create the high ticket offer to really solve that bleeding neck problem, okay? So use AI to really dial in your guys' audience. The second step on how we can use artificial intelligence to land high ticket online personal training clients is a direct carryover because like I talked about, if you have a triangle right here, we first have to identify the audience, then we figure out what the messaging is. The magic is in the messaging. If your messaging isn't clear, it's like you're speaking to everybody, and if we're speaking to everybody, we're helping nobody. So the messaging really has to match that avatar, that audience, that niche, the bleeding neck problem, your specialty, your method, your unique selling proposition, so many different things in there, right? So now that you have that, now how do we use the messaging to create good, compelling content that's gonna really have people stop on the scroll and be like, dang, I can't believe Mike is actually talking to me right here. I can't believe Jenny said this, right? That's really speaking to my pain points, right? And they're really kind of figuring out, damn, like how do they know that I'm thinking about this within my health and fitness journey? Once you understand that, you're getting into the psychographics of your audience. That is where the money is. So how do you sit there and use artificial intelligence for content creation? Well, you can actually automate it. But like I just said, right? To where it's like, if you go back to step number 1 and you know who the audience is, you have that prompt of all those pain points, you can actually have ChatGPT write up a prompt of what are some content creations on Facebook or on Instagram that you could do, video ideas, blog ideas, email ideas, right? Instagram posts, TikTok reels, all that stuff. Use it for that type of stuff so that it spits it out with a bunch of different ideas for your guys' content creation, and that matches the audience, the messaging, and now we're gonna move on to step number 3. All right, step number 3 on how to land high ticket online personal training clients is to be able to have some sort of tracking. Really good ones out there are, let's just say if you use YouTube, TubeBuddy is a really good software that has an artificial intelligence kind of tied into it to where it tells you all the metrics of like how good a video is doing, right? So now, if you understand who this audience is, you're using ChatGPT to do that. Then you have basically the content creation, you have the messaging dialed in, cool. So now we know who we're speaking to, we have some really good compelling content, but how do we sit there and use follow-up type of like softwares? How do we sit there and use artificial intelligence to track key metrics to show that these people are actually like clicking on things, they're actually engaging on stuff, you're starting conversations, because if you're not having conversations, then you're not gonna really get conversions, to be honest, okay? So there's also some cool artificial intelligence softwares out there too, that where it's like, you know, if they sit there and, you know, reply back on Instagram or Facebook, and if you have like a free lead magnet or something like that, like a checklist or something like that, and they reply back ready or me or yes, there's artificial intelligence softwares to where it's like they can sit there and reply for you, okay? So it automates things, it really keeps track of like, you know, the follow-ups and the leads, and then also too, the metrics of like how your content is really doing, matching with the audience as well too. And those are all really key performance indicators that you need as a health and fitness professional to really understand, is this working, right? Because is it actually leading to conversions? And I'm not just throwing a bunch of content out there and speaking to the whole entire world and nothing's really moving in my business, okay? So hopefully those 3 steps right there really helps you out on how you can sit there and use artificial intelligence to land high ticket online personal training clients. Look, if you guys are interested in getting more help on this to really create the audience, the messaging, the high ticket offer, and tie all this stuff together, we'd love to see if we can possibly help you out, right? All you have to do is click the link below and you can schedule a free 6-figure roadmap call with us, okay? Now again, there is some qualifications. You can't be a brand new beginner. You have to be a health and fitness professional where you at least have 1 or 2 years starting. The second qualification is you need to either be online, you have to be a personal trainer, or you have to have like a hybrid already kind of built out on that and you're stuck and you're looking to grow, right? And the third qualification is you got to be making at least $2,000 or $3,000 within like your health and fitness coaching business, okay? Because we just can't take somebody that's barely beginning that has no money on there, okay? So if that's you, keep consuming the content. It's really gonna help you guys out. When you guys are ready, then you guys can see if we can help you out. But I'd love to see if you guys meet those qualifications and you do want some extra support, extra help, just see if it's a good fit with the free call on there and to see if we can help you out. There's no obligation on it. We can see if there's any problems, the gaps, how we can help and support you, the opportunities in your business, okay? So click the link below and schedule that 6-figure roadmap call. And other than that though, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.